is your go-to channel for in-depth automobile reviews, latest car features, and expert insights into the world of vehicles. The 2025 Volkswagen Herbie is a modern revival of the classic Beetle with advanced technology, enhanced performance, and a nostalgic yet futuristic design. This latest iteration of the iconic Herbie carries forward the legacy of its beloved predecessors while incorporating cutting-edge features that make it stand out in today's automotive market. The design of the 2025 Volkswagen Herbie retains the signature round shape of the classic Beetle, with a modernized front grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic body lines that enhance its efficiency and visual appeal. The compact yet stylish body ensures that it remains true to its heritage while offering a contemporary look that appeals to both nostalgic enthusiasts and modern car buyers. Under the hood, the 2025 Herbie is equipped with a powerful yet efficient hybrid powertrain, combining a turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. This setup not only ensures impressive acceleration but also significantly improves fuel efficiency, making it a perfect blend of performance and sustainability. The electric motor assists during city drives, reducing emissions and offering a quieter, smoother ride, while the petrol engine provides the necessary power for longer journeys and highway cruising. The seamless transition between electric and petrol modes ensures optimal performance without compromising efficiency. Inside, the 2025 Volkswagen Herbie features a futuristic yet retro-inspired cabin with high-quality materials and state-of-the-art technology. The dashboard is designed with a perfect balance of classic charm and modern sophistication, featuring a digital instrument cluster, an intuitive infotainment system, and touch-sensitive controls. The infotainment system is equipped with a high-resolution touchscreen, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration. Voice command functionality ensures hands-free operation, making it convenient for drivers to control navigation, music, and calls while keeping their focus on the road. One of the most exciting features of the 2025 Herbie is its autonomous driving capability. Volkswagen has integrated advanced driver assistance systems that allow for semi-autonomous driving in various conditions. The adaptive cruise control system maintains a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, while lane-keeping assistance ensures the car stays centered in its lane. The automatic emergency braking system enhances safety by detecting potential collisions and applying brakes if necessary. Parking has also been made effortless with an advanced self-parking system that automatically maneuvers the car into tight spaces, making city driving more convenient than ever. Comfort is a priority in the 2025 Herbie, with premium leather seats that offer excellent support and adjustability. Heated and ventilated seats provide comfort in all weather conditions, while customizable ambient lighting creates a pleasant driving environment. The spacious cabin ensures ample legroom for both front and rear passengers, making it suitable for long drives and daily commutes alike. The panoramic sunroof adds to the open and airy feel of the interior, enhancing the overall driving experience. Connectivity and entertainment have been taken to the next level in the 2025 Volkswagen Herbie. The high-end audio system delivers crystal-clear sound, providing an immersive experience for music lovers. Multiple USB-C charging ports and wireless charging pads ensure that devices remain powered throughout the journey. The car also features an advanced navigation system with real-time traffic updates, helping drivers find the most efficient routes and avoid congestion. Safety is a key focus of the 2025 Volkswagen Herbie, with a robust set of safety features that provide peace of mind for drivers and passengers. The reinforced body structure enhances crash protection, while multiple airbags ensure maximum safety in case of impact. The intelligent driver monitoring system detects signs of drowsiness and alerts the driver to take a break when necessary. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert further enhance safety by providing warnings of potential hazards during lane changes and reversing. The performance of the 2025 Volkswagen Herbie is impressive, with responsive steering, agile handling, and a smooth ride quality. The advanced suspension system absorbs road imperfections, ensuring a comfortable ride even on rough surfaces. The lightweight construction of the car, combined with an optimized aerodynamic design, contributes to improved fuel efficiency and dynamic driving characteristics. The regenerative braking system helps recharge the battery while decelerating, further enhancing overall efficiency. Customization options for the 2025 Herbie allow buyers to personalize their vehicle according to their preferences. A range of vibrant exterior colors, including classic white with racing stripes reminiscent of the original Herbie, ensures that owners can choose a design that reflects their personality. Alloy wheel designs, Roof decals and unique interior trims offer additional customization possibilities, making each Herbie unique to its owner. The 2025 Volkswagen Herbie also embraces sustainability, with eco-friendly materials used in the interior to reduce environmental impact. Recycled plastics, plant-based leather alternatives, and sustainable fabrics contribute to an environmentally conscious design without compromising quality or comfort. The hybrid powertrain plays a significant role in reducing carbon emissions, aligning with Volkswagen's commitment to a greener future. Driving the 2025 Herbie is a delightful experience, with its responsive acceleration, smooth power delivery, and intuitive driving dynamics. Whether navigating through city streets or cruising on the highway, the car offers a balanced combination of efficiency and excitement. The integration of modern technology with classic charm makes the 2025 Herbie a standout option for those looking for a stylish, fun-to-drive, and feature-packed vehicle. With the return of the beloved Herbie, Volkswagen has successfully blended nostalgia with innovation, creating a car that appeals to a wide range of drivers. The 2025 Volkswagen Herbie is more than just a car, it is an icon reborn for the modern era. It captures the essence of the past while embracing the future, making it a perfect choice for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest car reviews and automotive insights, make sure to subscribe to stay tuned for more exciting content on the world of automobiles.